Artificial intelligence is no longer just about automation or simple task execution. It is now evolving into systems that can think, plan, and act with a level of independence that was not possible a few years ago. Across industries, companies are building AI systems that don't just respond to instructions, but actually execute workflows, coordinate the task, and make decisions across tools and environments. But here's the challenge. Different AI courses teach these capabilities in different ways. Some focus on basic automation, some focus on multi-agent collaboration, some focus on enterprises deployment, and some combine it with full AI engineering foundations. So today, let's compare 5 popular AI programs and understand how each of them approaches modern automation in AI systems. You're looking at AI Accelerator Program from Simplilearn, the IIT Patna Professional Certificate Program in Agentic AI and Multi-Agent Systems, Applied Agentic AI System Design and Impact in collaboration with Microsoft and Simplilearn, the IITM Pravartak Advanced Executive Program in Applied Generative AI, and the Microsoft AI Engineering Program in collaboration with Microsoft and Simplilearn. Each program takes a different approach to building skills in autonomous AI system. Let's get started with AI Accelerate Program from Simplilearn. This program introduces AI automation and basic agentic AI workflows in beginner-friendly way. Learners start with fundamentals like Python, basics, prompt engineering, retrieval augmented generation, and workflow automation. Then they move into tools such as ChatGPT, Claude, GitHub Copilot, LangChain, and N8N. The focus is on building simple AI-driven workflows that automate real tasks. Projects include AI assistants, content automation systems, and simple business workflow tools. For beginners who want to understand how AI can automate tasks in practical environments, this program offers a simple entry point. Now let's move on to the IITM Patna Professional Certificate Program in Agentic AI and Multi-Agent Systems. This is one of the most specialized programs focused on autonomous and multi-agent AI systems. Instead of treating AI as a single model, learners study how multiple agents can collaborate to solve complex problems. The curriculum includes LLM internals, planning systems, MCP frameworks, multi-agent designs, patterns, and orchestration strategies. Students work with tools like CrewAI, AutoGen, LangGraph, LangSmith, Mido, Figma, and Jupyter. Projects include building an agentic RAG router that intelligently switches between document search and web search and multi-agent system for business planning and execution. For learners who want deep technical expertise in autonomous AI systems, this program is highly focused and advanced. Next is the Applied Agentic AI System Design and Impact in collaboration with Microsoft and Simplilearn. This program focuses on enterprise-level autonomous AI systems. Learners study structured context binding, MCP integration, agent orchestration, and production-grade AI design principles. They also work with tools like LangChain, CrewAI, AutoGen, N8N, and LangSmith. Projects focus on building scalable, production-ready AI systems that can be deployed in real business environments. A key advantage of this program is its strong career support systems, including resume building tools, interview preparations, and job tracking assistance. For professionals aiming to apply autonomous AI systems inside organization, this program is strongly aligned with industry requirements. Now let's look at the IITM Pravartak Advanced Executive Program in Applied Generative AI. Although this program is focused on generative AI, it also includes important components of autonomous AI systems. Learners study frameworks like LangGraph, CrewAI, AutoGen, MCP integration, and orchestration techniques, alongside core generative AI models such as GANs, VAEs, and transformers. Projects include AI assistants, creative automation systems, and intelligent content generation tools. One unique highlight in this is 2-day campus immersion at IIT Madras Research Park, alongside with exposure to startup incubation opportunities. For learners who want to combine generative AI systems with agent-based intelligence, this program offers a balanced approach. Finally, look at the Microsoft AI Engineer Program in collaboration with Simplilearn and Microsoft. This is the most comprehensive AI engineering program in the list. It covers the full AI stack, including Python, machine learning, deep learning, NLP, and advanced AI system design. Learners work with tools like TensorFlow, PyTorch, Azure, OpenAI, Hugging Face, and Copilot Studio. Projects include autonomous prediction systems, recommendation engines, classification models, and AI-powered applications. Because of its depth, learners gain the foundation needed to eventually build an autonomous AI systems at scale. So which one is your best AI course for autonomous AI systems? The answer depends entirely on your learning goal. If you're a beginner, the AI Accelerate program is the easiest starting point. If you want deep specialization in multi-agent systems, the IIT Patna is most focused option. If you want enterprise deployment skills with job support, Microsoft and Simplilearn's Applied AI program is a strong choice. If you want a mix of generative AI and autonomous AI learning, IITM Pravartak is a balanced option. And if you want full stack AI engineering expertise, the Microsoft AI Engineer program is the most complete pathway. The truth is that autonomous AI is still evolving. Different roles require different levels of depth. The best AI course is one that aligns with the kind of system you want to build in the future. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching and keep learning with Simplilearn.